So I have common cold, I have little sore throat, I have little weakness. So do I have the Omicron variant of COVID-19 or do I have just common cold? I am fully vaccinated, I have got COVID before, so will I get COVID again? And what can I do to protect my family from the new Omicron variant? If you have these questions in your mind, stay tuned with us because we are going to cover up all these questions about Omicron variant virus, what we are getting asked frequently. So the first question here is, do you have Omicron variant or do you have common cold? So here there is no distinguishing feature between the Omicron variant virus and the common cold right now. Symptoms like sore throat, cough, dry cough, little sneezing, headache, fever, headache, body ache, weakness, fatigue. These are the symptoms which are more similar to the Omicron variant. Whereas in common cold, fever and joint pain, shortness of breath, these are not very seen in the common cold types. So if you have any of these symptoms, it is very important that firstly you isolate yourself. You always wear a mask because wearing a mask and isolating yourself will prevent the spread of the virus. The most important thing which has been elaborated here about the Omicron variant, it is highly contagious. So if you are affected, there is a chance that people around you, 10 people around you will get infected. So always wear a mask and isolate yourself. The second thing what we keep getting asked is, I had COVID in March or I am fully vaccinated. So will I be getting COVID again? Yes, if you are fully vaccinated, if you are double vaccinated in this case, there is still a possibility that you might get the virus because the Omicron variant is a variant of COVID-19 where the virus has changed its shape. So in basic layman language, virus ने अपना shape बदल दिया है. उसकी वजह से जो vaccine था, it might not be 100% effective against this virus, against this Omicron variant. So if you are fully vaccinated, there is still a possibility that you might get infected with Omicron variant, but the severity of the disease and the infection level will be little lesser as compared to those who are not vaccinated. It is being said that 96% of the cases who are hospitalized and who are very serious and who have eventually faced death in Omicron variant is because they were not vaccinated. So make sure that don't think that vaccine से कुछ होता नहीं है. The severity of the disease is 100% less if you are fully vaccinated. So make sure you get your vaccines taken. Thirdly, एक चीज़ है कि I had COVID in March, so will I be infected or not? Yes, if you had COVID before, there is still a possibility you might getting infected because this variant of the virus is different. So if you have COVID a few months before, so आपका जो immunity है, जो antibodies है, that will prevent you from getting infected for a very short period of time. Because right now there is no data available to support or tell कि एंटीबॉडीज कितने दिन लास्ट करते हैं कोविड-19 के. सो अगर आपको डेल्टा वेरिएंट पहले हुआ था, सो दैट वेरिएंट और दोज एंटीबॉडीज विल बी इफेक्टिव ओनली फॉर दैट वेरिएंट. एंड कितने दिन वो इम्यूनिटी लास्ट करेगा इज नॉट वेल नोन टिल नाउ. सो देयर इज स्टिल अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपको ये वेरिएंट हो सकता है. सो हल्के में नहीं लेना है कि मुझे कोविड नहीं होगा बिकॉज देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू माइट गेट इन्फेक्टेड. So wearing a mask is very important. And lastly, what can I do to protect my family? So protection is in your hands. If you are safe, it is better that there is a chance कि आपको infection ना हो. So firstly, get yourself and get your family vaccinated. One, to reduce the severity. Secondly, whenever you are in public place, make sure that you are wearing a mask. अभी mask में N95 डालना है कि नहीं डालना है? It is not necessary that you always wear a N95 mask, but it is better that you wear double mask. एक सर्जिकल मास्क और एक कॉटन मास्क अगर आप डालते हो तो वो वायरस जो एंट्री पॉइंट्स है उसके कम हो जाते हैं एंड वो आपको इन्फेक्शन नहीं पकड़ता. सो डबल मास्क पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है इफ़ यू आर नॉट वेयरिंग N95. इफ़ यू आर अ हेल्थ केयर वर्कर और इफ़ यू आर कमिंग इन क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट विद अ पेशेंट हु इज इन्फेक्टेड, that is better. In that cases, it is better you wear a N95 mask. If you know that you have symptoms, it is better that you wear a N95 to prevent the spread of the virus. Thirdly, make sure you're taking स्टीम एंड यू सो दैट जो लोकली अगर वायरस आपके नोज एंड आपके थ्रोट पे है, अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट में है, तो स्टीम के वजह से वो वायरस का डेथ हो सकता है. सो मेक श्योर यू आर टेकिंग स्टीम एंड हॉट वाटर गागल्स आपको करना है, वार्म वाटर गागल्स विद सॉल्ट वाटर एंड यू हैव टू टेक लिटिल वार्म वाटर. सो ये प्रिकॉशंस है जो आप ले सकते हो. टर्मरिक एंड बहुत सारे आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ें हैं जो बोलते हैं कि काढ़ा जो है दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. सो इफ़ यू कैन एंड अगर आपका एक्सपोजर बहुत ज़्यादा है, अगर आपको बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है, तो आप ये सारे प्रिकॉशंस भी ले सकते हो. सो बट द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वेयरिंग अ मास्क, avoid crowded spaces and isolate yourself if you have symptoms. So stay safe and stay healthy.